Hey guys, let's make a great banana bread.
You're gonna start by mashing 4 very ripe bananas. To that you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar, add 2 large eggs, a touch of vanilla, mix very well. You're gonna add 80 grams of melted and cooled butter, half a cup of quick oats, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a touch of salt. You're gonna mix just until combined. I don't wanna overmix the batter. Add a 1/4 cup of buttermilk for added moisture. Add walnuts, and this is optional. You can add it or you can leave it out. You're gonna grease your pan and add the batter. Bake at 350 for 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. You can decorate the top with chocolate chips. I did half chocolate chips and half walnuts. 50 minutes later, the cake is warm, moist, and delicious. Try it and let me know what you think. And bon appétit!